Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Yamaha YZF-R1. This bike is in mint condition with just a little under 2,300 miles on it. So got a couple of nice accessories on it, so let's take our walk around it. I'll show it to you and then we will fire this leader bike up. They've done a very good job of keeping this bike nice and clean. Tires on it are still in excellent condition with the low miles. The front one is. I had a couple of little minor scuffs here on the windscreen, but that's the only thing. So one of the aftermarket accessories it comes with are frame sliders, flush mount front signals, fender eliminator, and an integrated tail. Service has put a new back tire on this. Even with the low miles on it, it had a puncture in it, so we replaced it. Battery tender lead. And again, flush mount front signal, frame slider. So just, oh, look at here, I just noticed a little rub spot here on the front end. Right there. Very strange. Okay, so hard to say what caused that. Looks like probably maybe one of those transportation things. It was touching another motorcycle. So I guess we'll call it near mint now instead of mint. $22.46 is what's on it. This R1 has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.